students, welcome back to English Master. Today we are going to cover a poetry of class 11th. The name of the poem is The Childhood, which was written by Marcus Nutton. So in this poem, Childhood, the poet ponders deeply over the question of his lost childhood. He recalls a number of stages when his thoughts and perceptions about the world and people changed. He tries to identify that one particular stage or time when he lost his childhood and stepped into adulthood. He feels a sense of nostalgia for the childhood and finally settles down with an idea that his childhood has gone to some forgotten place and that place could only be found in an infant's face. So this is the only main idea of the poem Childhood. So now we will begin with the stanzas. So first stanza is, when did my childhood go? Was it the day I ceased to be 11? Was it the time I realized that hell and heaven could not be found in geography and therefore could not be? Was that the day? So here he is exclaiming. First paragraph, if you see the stanza when it begins, he is questioning himself, and at the end of the stanza we see that he is surprised. So here the poet is curious to know. When he lost his childhood, he tries to find out the answer of his own question. He feels it was perhaps the day when he discovered what? Hell and heaven. He discovers the theory of hell and heaven, and that these two do not exist in geography books. And he tells that education has made the poet look at the world in a different way, and he knows that he had probably lost his childhood. तो इस चैप्टर में जब हम देखते हैं स्टार्टिंग में वो कहता है मेरा चाइल्डहुड कहाँ चला गया, शायद उस दिन जब मैं 11 का हो गया था और तब मैंने रियलाइज़ किया कि हेल और हेवन जो दोनों हैं वो कहाँ एग्जिस्ट करते हैं, ज्योग्राफी बुक्स में एग्जिस्ट नहीं करते, बल्कि वो मुझे उसकी थियोरी समझ में आ गई है। तो शायद वही दिन था जब मैंने अपने बचपन को खो दिया। सो दिस इज़ हाउ ही रियलाइजेस दैट ही लॉस्ट हिज चाइल्डहुड। फिर वो दोबारा से अपने आप से क्वेश्चन करता है, व्हेन डिड माई चाइल्डहुड गो? Was it the time I realized that adults were not to be all they seemed to be? They talked of love and preached of love, but did not act so lovingly. Was that the day? फिर से वो क्वेश्चन करता है, क्या कौन सा दिन था? क्या वो दिन था जो अडल्ट्स थे जो मुझे रियलाइज़ करते थे, ऐसा लगता था उन्हें देख के कि वो बहुत लविंग और केयरिंग है, लेकिन जिस दिन मुझे पता चल गया कि वो लविंग और केयरिंग नहीं है बल्कि उनके मन में कुछ और होता है और वो ऊपर से कुछ और दिखाते हैं। वो बातें तो बहुत प्यार की करते हैं और हमें प्रीचिंग भी उनकी कैसी होती है, प्यार भरी होती है, बहुत अच्छा सा मार्गदर्शन करते हैं, लेकिन वो वैसे लविंगली हमारे साथ एक्ट नहीं करते। लाइक उनके जो काम हैं वो उनकी बातों से मैच नहीं करते हैं। तो क्या वो दिन था जिस दिन मैंने अपना चाइल्डहुड खो दिया? So in this stanza, the poet figures out that the adults around him did not practice what they usually preached us. So they taught others to be loving and caring. But when they themselves were violent and mean, this is when child lost his trust and faith in adults, and the poet realizes that probably the loss of faith and trust might have been the major steps towards losing his childhood. So this is how he lost his childhood. Next stanza says, when did my childhood go? Was it when I found my mind was really mine, to use whichever way I choose, producing thoughts that were not those of other people, but my own and mine alone? Was that a day? अब राइटर कहता है मेरा चाइल्डहुड कब खो गया? तब जब मैं अपने माइंड का यूज़ करना सीख गया। सो ही इज टेलिंग दैट ही हैज़ स्टार्टेड नोइंग व्हाट टू डू एंड व्हाट नॉट। ही लर्नड हाउ टू कंट्रोल हिज फीलिंग्स एंड व्हाट टू हाइड एंड व्हाट टू शेयर। और वो कहता है कि जिस तरह से मैं चाहूँ अपने माइंड का यूज़ कर सकूँ, प्रोड्यूसिंग थॉट्स दैट वर नॉट दोज ऑफ द अदर पीपल, और जो थॉट्स थे उसके माइंड ने प्रोड्यूस करने शुरू कर दिए थे वो दूसरे लोगों के नहीं थे, बट माई ओन एंड माइन अलोन। और वो थॉट जो थे वो पूरी तरह मेरे थे। लाइक ही वॉज द मास्टर ऑफ हिज माइंड। तो कहता है क्या वो दिन था जब मैंने अपना बचपन खो दिया। So here in this stanza we see that the poet while growing up realizes that his mind is powerful and it can take its own decisions. His own opinions and thoughts have earned him individually free from the biased notions of others. This is when he thinks that this individuality and experiences have taken away the childhood from him. So this is how he says. Now this is the last stanza of the poem. Here he says, where did my childhood go? It went to some forgotten place that is hidden in an infant's face. That's all I know. तो कहता है कहाँ चला गया मेरा चाइल्डहुड? शायद जब से मेरे सोचने समझने में शक्ति आई तब से ये एक फॉरगॉटन प्लेस पर चला गया है. यानी बचपन क्या है? इनोसेंस है. जब हम एक बार उसे खो दें तो वो वापस नहीं आती. तो कहता है वो कहाँ जाकर छिप गई है? वो किसी इनोसेंट इन्फेंट छोटे बच्चे के चेहरे में जाकर छिप गई है. दैट्स ऑल आई नो. तो वो यही समझ पाता है कि अब ये वापस नहीं आएगी और इस तरह से वो उसके पास से जा चुकी है. सो इन दिस स्टैंजा फाइनली इन द एंडिंग ही सेज दैट व्हेन टू वेयर. नाउ ही इज क्वेश्चनिंग कहाँ चला गया. अब तक तो हमने देखा ही इज आस्किंग ओनली व्हेन कब गया, बट एट द एंड ही इज एबल टू फिगर आउट कि कहाँ चला गया. तो वो कहाँ कहता है कि नाउ ही सेज दैट द चाइल्डहुड हैज गॉन hidden into some forgotten place. It can be found where? On an infant's face. That last line can be interpreted to as the one of the childhood has been lost. We recall that the fantasies and the moments which were about us and we cannot get them back. तो जो innocence होता है and the childhood जो है वो किससे है? एक दूसरे को दोनों ने खो दिया है. So when we lose our innocence, that simply means we lose our childhood. So writer here is able to identify that he has lost his childhood on that day when he had lost his innocence. So this is how the chapter gets over. So in this poem we learn a deeper meaning that after growing up a child doesn't remain the same child as he was in the beginning, and he learns all the things that happen, the bad things that happen on the earth, and how he loses his childhood and his innocency. So losing childhood simply means losing innocency and become very much practical and very much clever. So this is how the poet ends the poem. So students, I hope you liked the video. So do not forget to subscribe the channel to keep yourself updated. We will soon meet in next chapter. Till then, bye bye.